Hello everyone, I am Vashni K, studying in the 7th standard of DAV Public School, Chennai. So I like about space a lot and I do researches. So I came across this name Artemis program and I thought I'll do a presentation on it. Artemis rewriting the history. So, who is Artemis? Artemis in Greek religion is the goddess of wild animals, the hunt and vegetation, and of chastity and childbirth. She was identified by the Romans with Diana. Artemis was the daughter of Zeus and Leto and the twin sister of Apollo. So these two are Artemis. Same picture. What is NASA's Artemis program? With the Artemis program, NASA will land the first woman and the next man on the moon by 2024, using innovative technologies to explore more of the lunar surface than ever before. We will collaborate with our commercial and international partners and establish sustainable exploration by the end of the decade. This is the logo of Artemis program. Why is it called Artemis? This program was named after the Greek mythology Apollo. Artemis is the goddess of the moon in Greek mythology. When they land, the Artemis astronauts will stand where no humans have ever stood, the moon's south pole. What is the purpose of the Artemis program? Artemis is an ongoing space mission run by NASA with the goal of landing the first female astronaut and the next male astronaut on the moon's south pole by 2024. It is the US Space Agency's first crewed moon mission since Apollo 17 in 1972. NASA is going to launch 3 Artemis rockets, each having a different mission and equipments. Artemis 1. Artemis the First is the first in a series of increasingly complex missions that will enable human exploration to the moon and Mars. For Artemis the First, the Orion spacecraft will be outfitted with a complete life support system and crew seats, but will be left uncrewed. It was formerly known as Exploration Mission 1, EM1. The mission was renamed after the introduction of the Artemis program. The launch will be held at Launch Complex 39B at the Kennedy Space Center, where an Orion spacecraft will be sent on a mission of 25.5 or 25 and a half days, 6 of those days in a retrograde orbit around the moon. The mission will certify the Orion spacecraft and Space Launch System rocket for crewed flights, beginning with the second flight test of the Orion and the Space Launch System, Artemis 2, which will carry a crew of 4 around the moon in 2023 for a week-long mission and back prior to the assembly of the gateway. So, here is the picture of how the Artemis first will go. It'll launch, then it'll surround the Earth, then going to the moon and coming back again. Artemis the Second. Artemis the Second is the first scheduled crewed mission of NASA's Orion spacecraft, currently planned to be launched by the Space Launch System in August 2023. The current plan is for a crewed Orion spacecraft to perform a lunar flyby test and return to Earth. This is planned to be the first crewed spacecraft to leave low Earth orbit since Apollo 17 in 1972. Formerly known as Exploration Mission 2, EM2, the mission was renamed after the introduction of Artemis program. Originally, the crewed mission was intended to collect samples from a captured asteroid in lunar orbit by the now cancelled Robotic Asteroid Redirect mission. During preliminary reviews in 2011, the launch date was placed somewhere between 2019 to 2021. But Afterwards, the launch date was delayed to 2023 on an SLS rocket. As of July 2020, Artemis 2 is projected to launch no earlier than August 2023. This is a picture of how the Artemis 2 will go to the moon and come back. Artemis 3. Artemis 3 is the third planned flight of NASA's Orion spacecraft to be launched on the Space Launch System. Scheduled for launch in October 2024, Artemis 3 is planned to be the second crewed mission of the Artemis program and the first crewed lunar landing since Apollo 17 in 1972. Artemis 3 will land a crew on the moon's south polar region. It is planned to have 2 astronauts on the surface of the moon for about 1 week. The mission is intended to be the first to place a woman on the moon, while up to 4 astronauts will leave the Earth on board Orion. The surface mission with the HLS, Human Landing System, will consist of 2 crew members who will remain on the surface for 6.5 days. The remaining astronauts will stay on board the Gateway or Orion Orbital Complex. The 2 astronauts will conduct up to 4 spacewalks on the surface of the moon, performing a variety of space observations, scientific observations, including sampling water ice. Before the Artemis 3 lands on the moon's surface, some additional equipment will be pre-positioned on the surface, including an unpressurized rover for astronauts to use during their spacewalks. This rover will have the ability to be controlled remotely. So that's all I know about the Artemis program. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and share it.